house wiring, in which we have connected single phase energy meter, where phase and black color is for neutral. So this is double pole MCB and single pole MCB for 4 rooms, and this is one room we have set up, then second room, then third room. So in this way we have set up these wirings. So this is for first room, second room, third room and fourth room. So you can see the operations. So this is series parallel wiring connections. So S1 will be for series socket. So this switch is for series. This is series testing lamp, and this switch is for parallel connection. So you can see the entire setup. In this way we can do the wiring for different rooms. Thank you very much. If any short circuit happens in room number second, so this MCB will get strip off in this way, so that the appliances will get safer side. So you can see the readings of single phase energy meter. So this kWh, here kW, so here date and time. After setting it will give all the readings, time, so we can check after 1 hour how much energy is being utilized here. Thank you very much.